Hey guys, how are you doing? If your iPhone is turning off and on all of a sudden, then the reasons could be sometimes software and most of the time it could be hardware related problem. In this video, I'm going to give you a couple of troubleshooting steps and some reasons that why your iPhone is keep on turning off and on frequently and how you can fix it. The very first thing is if the iPhone is turning off and on all of a sudden without any proper usage conditions, or whenever you charge the iPhone may be staying on, and whenever you disconnect the charge the phone may be turned off completely. So the very first thing you need to check is, depending on the iPhone model, if it is a new iPhone model, I will suggest a few things in the upcoming points. And the very first thing is navigate inside the settings app on your iPhone. Then you need to navigate inside the battery and then the battery health section. Check whether the battery health is above 80%. If it is 83 to 85 or above, then it is absolutely fine. If it is 80% or below, like 77, 72%, some users use the device below 80% and there won't be any issue, but all of a sudden it may start to give problem like fast drain, apps crash, or the phone getting restart repeatedly. So if you are experiencing similar problem, then the battery health is the reason. You need to visit the Apple Service Center and check whether the replacement availability is there, and you need to replace the battery as soon as possible so that the battery will be able to deliver the peak performance and the problem of repeated restart of your iPhone will be fixed. The next basic troubleshooting step that you need to do is do a force restart. Simply tap and release the volume up button once, then tap and release the volume down button once. Press and hold the side button or the power button till you see the Apple logo on your screen. It may take like 10 to 20 seconds to reboot. You will see the slide to power off on your screen, but don't slide to power off, don't release the finger. Continue holding it till the phone completely shuts down and then restarts, and you will see the Apple logo. Then you can release the finger. This type of force restart also helps to fix any system panic related issues and temporary problems that is causing the phone to restart a couple of times and all of a sudden. So the force restart is the one you need to try. If the problem is still not fixed, then the possibility is something related to hardware. If you have occasionally dropped the iPhone earlier in few weeks before, and there is a possibility that the sensors inside the phone may have certain internal damage, and that could result in panic of the system at software level that tries to fix the problem to restart the iPhone automatically. So that sort of internal damage cannot be fixed from our side. The restart or forced restart or even the iOS restore will not help. Connecting the phone to the computer and doing the iOS restore can help if the problem is something software related. But in such cases, you need to visit the Apple Service Center, get it checked, run a proper diagnostics, and the technician will help you to identify the root cause, and they will further proceed to replace the affected internal spare. And if it is not possible to repair the specific spare part, then they will obviously go for the entire unit replacement. Even it is a new iPhone, in such cases of random restart happening on your iPhone, then you should check with the Apple Service Center why such restart happening and you're not able to use the phone properly. Hope this clarification helped you to understand why the restart is happening, your phone is turning off and on. If you find this information useful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Thank you and have a wonderful day.